guys! Nawa si
Demure. Very demure. Mo na jud ni guys. Makadto na jud mi og Burj Al Arab. So katong January 30 is our 15 years Archie anniversary ni Archie. Wedding anniversary.
What is the connection, man?
So karon ang birthday ang anniversary gift ni Mark na mo is treat to char social kay siya treat to
Burj
Burj Al Arab. Burj Khalifa.
Burj Al Arab. Gapo lagi ko na si Burj Al Arab.
So Atomic Burj Al Arab guys. So this is 19 years, almost 19 years in the making. Kay ever since dapat mi sa Dubai,
Hindi ka na may kanpak sa gawas.
naragin may gawa sa gate sa Burj Al Arab. So karon makasud na gid mi sa gate. Pero nag-uwan. So mo na mo ang kahimtang ron na mo ang first time nga mo Atomic Burj Al Arab pero gauwan. So, na-inform me ni Mark na ang attire ko no dapat is smart casual. So, karon na attire pang-interview na.
Kamitan na pang-interview.
Na mag-interview dito. Ang ato ang inside Burj Al Arab tour is 3 p.m. and kinahanglan 30 minutes before 3 nanata sa Jumeirah Beach Hotel. So on our way na ta, hopefully makaabot ta to 30. Valet parking. So, padong namin sa inside Burj Al Arab pick up and drop off point. Inside Burj Al Arab.
That's the Burj Al Arab.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Huh? Inside Burj. Hi guys, welcome to inside Burj Al Arab. We are now inside the lobby of the inside Burj Al Arab. Ito ni tour. So, manami og kuan register and this is our badge. So, nagwat na lang ni sa mo ang turn para masakay og kuan. Buggy pa inan sa Burj Al Arab. So, mo na mo sakyan guys. Adong sa Burj Al Arab. So we are now at the buggy going inside the Burj Al Arab. Archie is at the back. So Lepet is in front. Siya ikon, kang konduktora. Yes.
Yes.
For your own safety during the photo, please do not walk on the road and don't cross the bridge. We have a glass barrier inside the platform. Do not lean on the glass barrier also. One last humble request, photos and videos. Go inside.
Wow!
Forward, please.
Di pwede madagan dito?
Picture.
We have a camera setup here for the perfect shot. You can go inside family.
here and enjoyed your buggy ride on the way. My name is Andrew. I'll be your welcome host for the first part of your tour. Just
Guys, nagurus-urus ang akong gibati karon kahit ako
Ning sikreto
sa
ka picture sa ubos
kalipay.
ba? Ano sikreto ka pa picture ba?
So guys, so kani sila guys, mga gold plated di sila guys. Wow! Oh my!
is this photo this way. Fifth floor. In total, we say there are 27 floors in the building, but this is the highest one you can be for our suite, the hotel rooms. Everything you will see on this floor is only a display now, like a museum, but you are going to see the biggest and the most expensive one we have called the Royal Suite.
Muni sila uniform sa mga staff. Ini siya, guys. Inside Burj Al Arab. So, ini lang. Wow, so grand. So we are going to sit at the dining table of the
So, ito guys, ang kami sa dining room for
this room. This is... Saan na sila? This one.
I remembered, yeah, okay, yeah. Tennis, yeah, the first one. We will do this one first because this is more interesting. It's the car, race car.
Dangerous. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a Formula One car. It was drifting up on the helipad. 2013.
How did you put that car on top?
There is a full documentary for it on the YouTube. They
Ah.
put
Helicopter.
the car on the board and then they pull the board with the car with the helicopter.
Helicopter.
And they drop it on the helipad.
Oh, wow.
Mix.
Wow, guys. Ako kita na tag-medal sa Olympics, guys.
We can attach.
Dako day niya, no? Nice. Almarsa. Asang satwa, Char? Thank you. Okay. Let's see.
Ang share niya ng ilang special na prutas din sa Juan sa Dubai. Not only Dubai but the entire GCC.
Sa may nga na.
Dates. Lamig in siya. Kopi sa
Arabic.
sports. Sports sa Arab. Arabic ko. Tayo na ito. Ang dito may ihas ko.
suite is approximately how much? $54,000. One night.
Just for one.
$50,000.
So here you can have a look at this wall. It's silk, so its color can change according to light.
Silk.
Yeah. You stand here, it's like orange.
Yeah.
It's more dark color.
It's dark, yeah.
Yes.
No.
Behind this door we have another room.
Wow.
This is a TV room. You can see this TV. It's gold color. It's also 24 karat gold plated.
So mga gold-plated na sila. Ano? It's all gold-plated, guys. Thank you. Guys. This is gold-plated. Everything is gold. 24 karat.
The Majlis and Queen's bedroom. This is the Majlis. It's a traditional Arabic meeting space.
Majlis and what bedroom?
Yeah, Queen's bedroom.
Queens?
Yes.
This is also made of silk.
Yes. Soft fabric and this ladybird is hand stitched with golden thread.
Hand stitched.
Yes. Yes, all. Yes. For this fabric, we have
All the ladybugs are hand stitched. Oh, this is the toilet, guys. Oh my. So everything you see here is 24 karat gold plated. Oh, makagwapa ba nilang sa amin diri be? Mas kagwapa na ko silang sa amin, guys. Basta ang ilang bidet kay gold. Oh my, ang flush. Kay gold. Gold plated. Wait lang. And this is the shower. Oh, gold na siya tanan. It's all gold plated. 24 carats. Ay, goodness gracious. Burj Al Arab tour is done. So, paano na mo mong ipabalay? Thank you. Thank you.
Not feel like that.
So guys, naman na mo ang inside Burj Al Arab na tour. Nangaan mi karon na ami sa Baba Al Bahar Seafood Restaurant. Baba Al Bahar Seafood Restaurant. Baba Al Bahar Seafood Restaurant. Ano na ako order? First order is patush. Sumani siya ang Arabic salad. So,
Thank you very much.
naabot na ang itong mixed grill. There's calamari,
Kaya ko dito kasi
fish,
Para mas ate diyan sa
shrimp, and fish na grill.
The same.
sing song.
Okay, bon appetit! So malamig ka, nag-dessert na may kunafa. Kunafa.
Kain tayo.
So guys, mano to among lang karong adlaw. Nagatami sa Burj Al Arab and sa kuan. Nag-dinner mi sa Bab Al Bahar. Baba Al Bahar. Salamat kayo sa pagtanaw. Salamat Mark sa imong sponsor.